Jason, your air pump is awesome. Where did you get it?
This is not an air pump. This is a 3-in-1 car mini vacuum cleaner, exquisite and compact. It can do a lot of things. Let me tell you how great it is. This vacuum cleaner adopts the latest UK technology and has an unmatched powerful suction. Dust and debris can be easily sucked away, and where the corners and crevices cannot be sucked, it has a blower function and can also be blown away. In addition, it can also be vacuum extraction, inflated, and used as a hairdryer. There are so many functions. Collect them. Don't miss them.